Welcome to this series ब्रोकन एंड स्पोकन इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस। इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं ग्रेटिट्यूड। इट मीन्स थैंकफुलनेस, डैट इज ग्रेटफुल, शुक्रगुजार होना। जब हम या आप अपने जीवन में हर छोटी से छोटी चीज़ के लिए धन्यवाद करते हैं, इट मीन्स जो आपके पास है वह हर चीज़ जो इस समय उपलब्ध है उसके लिए धन्यवाद करते हैं। चाहे आप गॉड मानते हो या किसी एनर्जी या यूनिवर्स या सर्वशक्तिमान, उन्हें हर क्षण ग्रेटिट्यूड की फीलिंग रखते हैं, अर्थात शुक्रगुजार रहते हैं। जैसा कि कहा जाता है, ग्रेटिट्यूड इज रिचेज एंड कंप्लेन इज पॉवर्टी। एक तरफ जब आप हर चीज़ के लिए शुक्रगुजार या आभार प्रकट करते हैं तो इस अवस्था में तभी आप रीच बनते जाते हैं, और दूसरी तरफ आप शिकायत करते रहते हैं तो आप गरीबी की ओर बढ़ते हैं। सो ग्रैटिट्यूड इज एवरीथिंग, यानी हर वो चीज़ जो आपके लाइफ में उपलब्ध है उसके लिए शुक्रगुजार प्रकट करें। आई एम थैंकफुल फॉर दिस। हेलो गाइज, नमस्कार and welcome to this channel. How are you today? Of course, all of you are very well. First of all, I would like to tell you about my channel. In this channel, I make a lot of videos related to learning English language, and recently I have started the series Broken and Spoken English Speaking Practice. This is the video for beginners, and of course all of you want to improve speaking skills can watch these videos. Before starting the today topic, in previous video I told you the courage word. Yes, you have the courage to try to speak English despite the errors. This is the topic I have already discussed about this. Let's come to the point, that is today's topic. I am going to tell you one thing that is the most important for everyone's life. The topic is gratitude. It means thankful for anything that is available you have. Now you must have heard about the statement, or it is said, people say that gratitude is riches. It means wealth, and complain is poverty. This line affects a lot of anyone. This is the powerful tool to live life, to live peaceful life. Gratitude is everything which everyone has to do every single day. Doing such activity help a lot of. If you want to be a successful person, then start today. Do gratitude for everything which you have, which is available on this time. Whenever I am free and whenever I get time, just start I start doing gratitude for God, whatever you call the universe who created everyone, any form of whatever, it doesn't matter. Just start doing gratitude for everything you have at least 2 times in a day. Everyone should do gratitude after getting up and before sleeping. This is the time one should do gratitude. Every single day, all of you have to say one thing again and again. That is, I am thankful for this. It means in your life, whatever is happening and going well with you, for this you have to do gratitude. That is, I thankful for this, I thankful for that. Just like me, I do gratitude every single day. The line I am saying every single day. There are many sentences, statements related to do gratitude. Some important statements, some important lines which I speak. I am thankful for. Number one, when I get up in morning, first of all, I speak, I say to myself, today I am alive. For this I am thankful. My parents are also alive. For this I am thankful. Each part of my body is well. It is working. I can see my own eyes rightly, and I hear the ears. I speak clearly. I breathe deeply, and each and every part of the body is working well. For this I am thankful. I am healthy. I get tasty foods, and there are such many activities. For this I am thankful. Whatever you work in your life, the universe takes care the efforts. So don't worry about this. Keep doing good things and keep thinking good about others. And see in your life, and you will find you have abundance. The universe gave you. So now again I am telling you the most important line. I hope this line inspire to everyone. That is, gratitude is riches and complaint is poverty. One thing makes you a rich man, and the second another thing, that is complaint, makes you poverty. This is all about the gratitude in briefly I told. So thanks for watching this series. In this series, my purpose is only practice speaking English, whether it is wrong or right, without considering, without thinking about this, just express and speak it. Whatever comes in your mind, speak it only English, not any other regional language, not in Hindi. Even you make mistake, doesn't matter. In the end, I want to say that keep learning, keep growing, and keep earning. That is my statement. No learning, no growing. नो